Hey there, health enthusiasts and curious minds. Today, we're diving straight into a fascinating and somewhat quirky topic: castor oil in your navel. Yes, you heard that right. The age-old practice of putting castor oil in your belly button is making a comeback, and we're here to explore whether it's a hidden health gem or just another quirky trend. Buckle up and get ready for a journey that's equal parts informative and amusing. The magic of castor oil. A quick overview. Castor oil, extracted from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries. It's known for its anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and moisturizing properties. But can this versatile oil really transform your health just by being placed in your navel? Let's find out. The benefits. Fact or fiction? 1. Improved digestion. Claim. Castor oil in the navel can stimulate digestive function and relieve constipation. Science. The navel, or umbilicus, is rich in blood vessels. Some believe that applying castor oil here helps it get absorbed more effectively, promoting better digestion. While there's limited direct scientific evidence, castor oil is known for its laxative properties, so there might be some truth to this claim. 2. Pain relief. Claim. It can reduce menstrual cramps and joint pain. Science. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Applying it topically could potentially help reduce pain, although more research is needed to confirm the effectiveness of navel application specifically. 3. Skin health. Claim. It can improve skin texture and reduce blemishes. Science. Castor oil is an excellent moisturizer and can help soothe dry skin. Applying it in the navel might help improve skin hydration overall, but again, scientific backing is scant. The risks? What to watch out for? 1. Allergic reactions. While rare, some people might be allergic to castor oil. It's always a good idea to do a patch test first. 2. Messy business. Let's be real. Putting oil in your belly button can be messy. Make sure you're prepared with some tissues and a towel. How to use castor oil in your navel. 1. Clean your navel. Make sure your navel is clean and dry. 2. Apply a few drops. Using a dropper, apply 2 to 3 drops of castor oil directly into your navel. 3. Massage. Gently massage the area around your navel for a few minutes to help with absorption. 4. Relax. Lie down for about 15 to 20 minutes to allow the oil to work its magic. Verdict: should you try it? So, is castor oil in your navel a miracle cure or just another wellness fad? While the scientific evidence is still catching up, many people swear by its benefits. If you're curious and love a bit of DIY health experimentation, it might be worth a try. Just remember to do it safely and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns.